Hi there everyone, what to do on Halloween besides trick-or-treating? Fun Halloween activities at home. You don't have to go out to enjoy Halloween. There are plenty of Halloween activities you can do while staying cozy at home. Put on your favorite Halloween outfit and try one or a few of these fun ideas. Turn your home into a haunted house. Create a spooky atmosphere by decorating your home as a haunted house. Use black and purple lights, fake blood, and, of course, a creepy Halloween playlist for maximum chills. Paint, or carve, pumpkins. It's never too late to decorate pumpkins, even on Halloween night. Try no-carve pumpkin ideas for less mess, or go traditional with carved designs, using stencils for the perfect jack-o'-lantern. Make a creepy craft. If pumpkins aren't available, you can still get crafty. Try making Halloween slime, DIY mummies, or paper bag jack-o'-lanterns. Kids love it, and it's a fun way for adults to tap into their creative side. Prep a fall tablescape. Decorate for Halloween and the fall season with mini pumpkins, fall leaves, and gourds in colors like orange, brown, and yellow. This tablescape can even carry over to Thanksgiving. Plan a Halloween-themed pampering night. While others are out gathering candy, enjoy a quiet evening of self-care. Set up a relaxing playlist, light some fall-scented candles, and recreate a spa day at home with a Halloween-inspired mani-pedi and a pumpkin-spiced drink. Host a game night. Game night is perfect for Halloween. Whether it's a favorite board game or a murder mystery night, make it extra fun with a spooky scavenger hunt around the house. Throw a costume fashion show. If trick-or-treating is off the table, let the kids, and adults, show off their costumes in a Halloween fashion show. Set up a runway in your living room or yard and take plenty of photos. Invite friends for a Halloween party. Turn your home into a Halloween gathering spot with snacks, drinks, and a Halloween playlist. Make it kid-friendly or stick to an adults-only event if you prefer. Dress up your pet. Let your pet join the Halloween fun with a cute costume. Coordinate with your own or the family's costumes, and make sure they stay comfortable. Gather around a fire pit. If it's chilly, light a fire pit, invite friends over, and share Halloween stories. A warm drink will make it even cozier. Turn your backyard into a movie theater. Create a Halloween movie night in your backyard by projecting a film onto a garage door or large white sheet. Invite neighbors to bring blankets and popcorn to share the experience. Host a Halloween potluck. Make Halloween dinner easier by hosting a potluck where everyone brings a favorite dish. It's a relaxed way to meet neighbors and enjoy delicious food without all the hosting responsibilities. Create a recipe spell book. Gather your favorite recipes and put together a spell book for Halloween. Decorate the pages with cauldrons, spiders, and pumpkins to keep the Halloween spirit alive.